Here we see the tram that used to run on the famous number 53 route. This was a route that only single-deck trams could run on because of low bridges. The first electric trams were introduced in 1900 and were soon to be seen practically everywhere, and were a cheap and reliable service. By 1901 there were 200 miles of tram lines in Manchester. On January the 10th, 1949, Manchester Corporation Tramways car number 1007, which was the official last tram, left Hyde Road Depot for the last journey. After a tour along the official route, the tram went back to the Hyde Road Depot, where it was set on fire, before the burned out shell could be cut up for scrap. The site of this funeral bonfire was the depot's large way yard, which had been the site of Manchester City Football Club's old pitch, before they moved to Main Road. The wheel has turned full circle again, because once more there are trams on the streets of Manchester. The Tram Museum in Heaton Park is open from Easter to October, and trams operate on bank holidays, Sundays and some Wednesdays. If you want to experience the sensation of travelling on what used to be the best form of transport from a bygone age, get on the tram. You can ride on it all day for just £1. Take the kids, you'll all enjoy it. We're now in